Hey guys, I thought this might be a little fun. I've got my Medico mortise housings and I got to change the tailpiece. Should have ordered them correctly, but you know how it goes. This goes with Sargent, and I thought I'd show you the right tool for the job. KeedeX, they make it. Nice screwdriver tip. You can put in there. I've got a number 1 in there right now, and I've got to deal with these little screws, and they have Loctite on. So I need to not strip them, but do a nice straight job. So there's an arbor right here, and look at this big, huge aluminum handle. This is a great tool. Let's see. How much did I pay? $119.81. I've seen them cheaper. So let's go and get this thing off. Nice and straight. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. The Loctite is encapsulated right on there. In case you've never seen this done before, this is probably the best way to do it. You can use a regular screwdriver. You can use a Phillips tip screwdriver like this. But if you want to do it really cool, and look at the stuff behind it, there is no bronze washer on these Medico cylinders. But they don't take any tailpiece but theirs. So there's the one I'm getting off of there. And I'm putting this new one on, which is for a Sargent lever handle. Oh, and it has a cover over it. That's nice, huh? 2 pieces. That's a security thing. People can't, I guess, pick through and turn this tailpiece. Yeah, that's what they did it for. See, it's wide open. I can see right through it. Hi there. See my finger on the other side? So they put a cover over it so you can't tamper with something. My famous last words right before, well, you'll see. Let's get back to the show. Let's do this the right way. Good snug fit. Now I'm going to put this cover on. Is it countersunk on one side? Yeah, there's countersunk screw fasteners. And locations are countersunk. Isn't that nice? Now I always like to get them started with my finger. You cross thread these and you got real issues. Let me try something a little different here. Let's try a screwdriver to get them started. Just for the camera. There we go. Boy, want to cross-thread that thing. That would not be good. Let's tighten the rest of the way with this, called a spin out.
Hey guys, can you see what I did wrong? Look real close.
Did not mess those screws up. So guess what, guys? If you tighten these too tight, your key won't work. There is a fine line between this. I'm just going to show you. If I tighten this up, I'm going to be real careful with this screwdriver. If I tighten that way up, I'll do it with my spin out. If I tighten this way up, all right, like that. My key doesn't work anymore. Well, that one doesn't work anyway. Let's go back to the key that's supposed to work. It is so tight, you can feel the tension inside of it galling up. They should have put a washer underneath that. I don't know why they don't. So I got to loosen this up, but not too loose that the key gets stuck in there from the plug coming out. There it is. Perfect. Wow. Tip of the day, don't over tighten your tailpiece in a Medico mortise housing. Let's do the next one. See how this feels right now. All right, I'm going to see how loose these are. These are straight from the factory. Okay, I tightened them way up now. Not as bad with that big old honker tail piece on there. Let's take it off and put on the thinner one. You know what the problem is? This has a front that sticks out, plug like that, instead of a flat mortise housing face. So it wants to tip around a little bit. From the factory, there is no washer behind there. This is slightly thinner. Let's go with this. You gotta kind of pop it on. Okay, that pushes over. All right, now let's cover it. You know, I think I see what's going on. The guy's gonna really be shocked. Watch this. I got something wrong on this mortise housing. You see it? See the difference? I'm not allowed my key tip to go through. That's what the deal is. Oh man, oh man. Oh, I'm glad, because that's kind of freaky that you have to tighten it up so it's not too tight or something crazy. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, that seats off right off the bat. Now let's see if my key works. Too tight? All right, still some tension on there. That is nice. Perfect. All right, let's switch this the right way. See if there's a difference. Practice makes perfect. Good thing I caught that. You see what I did? I had it this way. Like that. And it really needs to be spun around like that. If it's worth doing it, it's worth doing it wrong. Oh man. Hey, I'm saving you guys from doing it wrong, right? You get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is live from Door and Lock Tips. All right, let's get the thing in there. Still didn't mess it up. Oh yeah. That feels really nice. I think I can go hairs looser. Unloosen this a little bit. All right. Oh yeah. Guess what? Maybe. You don't want to loosen it up too much where that plug moves in and out. I don't think it is. You'll see play if I'm pulling on it back. Well, I see some play. See that play? I'm pulling out, pushing in. Yeah, I see some play. Let's just snug it down a little more. We're talking just a teeny bit, guys. Yes. Let's see if they can play in this. No, no play. Okay, there you have it. Thank you for tuning in. You get to see how to put on a tailpiece on a Medico cylinder. We'll have more from Door and Lock tips coming your way in the future. Thanks again, guys. KeedeX. Spin out. Thanks. You're the man.